Hi team. So in this video we are going to see how to download the SharePoint file via API. Say for example this is my SharePoint file and I want to download this file via Graph API. To get the permissions we need to have a admin access and we need to have a create a API request via Azure portal, and then we need to create a file read access for a specific API. Then we need to go to Postman. So this is the steps. Say for example, I need to have a client ID, I need to have a client secret, I need to have a resource, and then I need to have a tenant ID. This four parameter I need. Say for example, I'm clearing everything. So now I'm triggering this. So now I can see I'm getting the barrier token, the access token. So what I'm doing, I'm going to other API where I will get the file. So this is a headers I need to provide for here, like only sites. So once I trigger this, so here the parameter will be single parameter, which is a token, access token, barrier token. So now I'm just triggering this. So here I can see, so what actually going inside, what actually coming out. We have this console logs. So first API we can see we are sending the request and we are getting the response body as barrier token. Okay. For second request we are triggering this. We are just sending the request payload sorry with request barrier token, and response will be this. So this will be like my site name and my site ID and whatever the additional information. So now I need to take this ID. This ID contain my site ID as well as my site specific unique ID. So this is a site name and site ID. So now I need to pass this to other request, which is nothing but get file details. So here I need to pass the site ID and file name. So the file name I am showing you here. So this is a file name. If you see here, the file name will be test.document.xlsx because this is my file name. So now I'm triggering this over here and I'm minimizing everything. Triggering now get files. So after triggering this, I'll be getting one URL here, which is at Microsoft Graph URL download. So I just need to copy this URL. I'll just copy this specific URL until here. Okay. Then I can open any specific web page which doesn't have a sign in. Okay. Now I'll put it here. I'll just hit enter. Then you can see my file will get downloaded here. See, the file is getting downloaded. Okay. This is third time I'm downloading the file. So this is how you need to do. For that you should have access of admin portal, aadportal.azure.com. So here you should have admin access. I need to sign in here. Since I have everything from my end, I am logging it. Then I can go to this place like here, app registration. I can just so I can go here, app registration, and I can click on the new registration. Then there is option like tech inputs, right, which is my company name. If there is a single of, if you are going to access within the office, then you can choose this. Outside of your office, then you can choose this. This means multiple offices can be accessed. So now I'm going to click only this. I will be giving the access like demo API. Whatever name you want, you can register it. Once you register, it will create a application which is nothing but the API credentials. Then you need to note down this specific three things from here. One is application client ID and tenant ID, and then you need to create a secrets. So once I go here, I just need to click on the create plain secret. Then I just need to give a description demo for download. Okay, then I'm just going to give add. Then it is updating the credential. Then I'm getting the value. This is my password. You should not copy this. You should copy this. Okay. Then what I need to do, I need to go to the API permissions. Then once I go to the API permissions, then I need to make sure like I do have access for reading the file, writing the file, whatever you want. If you're going to say for example this is a medium, you created the API and you are going to give the permission to the API. What kind of permission? If you want to read only SharePoint, you can give it. If you are going to read a uh, kind of updating the file, you can give it. And if you want to create a Teams chat, or if you're going to send an email, if you're going to read an email, everything you can do. So I think something went wrong. Maybe I'll just click it again. I refresh it. Okay, maybe something is. So since I logged in with the trial versions, I have some limited access. No problem. I'll try it again. So now I can see API permissions, user that reads, delegated. So now it is saying grant the permissions. So user dot read permission. So I need to have the permission this way. Maybe internet is slow, not sure. Okay, let it load for some time. Maybe network issue. We'll try it again. So once you click on the add permission, then you will get one pop-up. There you need to choose the graph API. Okay, let me reload it. Okay, maybe a network issue. Okay, let me connect with the network. Okay, sometime during demo it will happens. It happens this way. Come on, come on. So now I connected with a different network. Let me check whether it able to access the portal. Microsoft will do. Yeah, I think now the page is loaded. Let me rerun it. Okay. Add a permission. Then I need to click on it here. Then I can see this page, right? Just I need to click on it. Then delegate a permission. This is like a signed user. So if you are a signed user, then you will be able to access this. But I don't want to sign. I just want to access this page without just sign in. Okay, that is my goal. So now I need to have a access like share. Maybe I'll like the files. I need to read access, write access, and then I need to have a SharePoint. So read access, write access. As of now, it's fine for me. Okay, so now I can see if if I'm not an admin, then I'll be getting these options. Okay, if I'm an admin, I'll be getting one more options here like grant, because one admin can access and give the permission to the multiple tenants, right? So now I can say I'm admitting it. So now everything will be updated. Okay, now see here everything is updated. Grant the permissions. So now I need to go to this specific postman. I need to go to this specific environment variable where I will be setting up all the parameters this way. Then I can able to access this. So if you like this video, subscribe it. Thank you.